Ganelli.
Good morning to you. You know, when you consider that here in New England we don't have earthquakes as big as they have there, we don't have mudslides, we really don't have the drought that they have there. We've got it pretty easy compared to what they deal with in California. Wildfires too. It's always that wildfire season when high pressure sets up and they have the dry weather. Well, now they're getting inundated with the rainfall. This system, I'll show you how that's going to affect our weather actually coming up here for Thursday night and Friday. Let's look at our headlines. It's mild afternoons all week. No Arctic cold in sight. We'll talk about that too. Wet weather Thursday night and especially Friday morning and midday. And then the showers continue on Saturday. It's drying and colder on Sunday. And here's the temperatures right now. We've got temperatures in succession here. Smithfield, 34. Providence, 35. New Bedford, Newport, 36. 37, Westerly, 38. Block Island. And it's a little cooler out on Cape Cod. They actually held on to the clear sky a little bit longer than we did. No Arctic cold in sight unless you go up to Bismarck, North Dakota. 8 degrees there at this hour, and they're an hour and a half or so behind us in the sunrise time, so they still have some cooling to do from that 8. But you'd have to go way up to Hudson Bay, you can see it there, in Canada to find the real cold stuff of 10 to 20 below zero. So I don't know how you say that word, Moosonee in Hudson Bay. It's not that bad. We don't have any Arctic air really to speak of that's heading in here in the next 10 days, which is great news because this is the coldest, snowiest month of January here in New England. Showers of snow up in the North Country for the skiers. That's good news. And we've got a few clouds here drifting through Ohio and West Virginia. Those will head our way. And we also have an ocean storm that's exiting the mid-Atlantic. So those two things combined will give us some cloudiness tomorrow. But there's the storm out over California, slamming into San Francisco right now with that heavy rain. That is going to cross over the Rockies and develop over the midsection of the country and then slide our way. It will create some storminess in southern Mississippi Valley and the southeastern U.S. with thunderstorms. We will get a mild rain here. Let's take you through it. This is this morning. We go to this afternoon and evening. High pressure over us, giving us the light wind. There goes that ocean storm off the mid-Atlantic. So that rotating counterclockwise and the high pressure system off to the over us, giving us the easterly wind, giving us the cloudiness. And then we've got the low pressure system sliding into the Ohio Valley. Here comes the wind and the rain and the mild air pushing into the cold. So you've got that developing warm front, that snaky configuration there to that red line. That's the warm front. We've got heavy rain along it. North of it, we've got the snow. Northern New England Thursday evening snowing, and northern New York too. And we've got a few rain showers starting, but then it ramps up. Friday morning gets very wet here and windy. So today, 40 degrees, cold start, mild finish. 25 tonight. We should have some partial clearing, seasonally cold. Tomorrow, we'll throw in some more clouds in the forecast tomorrow, generally close to 40 degrees with a light easterly wind. 7-day forecast showing the clouds with us all day Thursday and the showers coming in Thursday evening. We stay in the 40s Thursday night, so it's a mild night. Saves on the heating bill, right? 52 on Friday. Might not have to turn the heat on Friday either. Umbrella, though, for Friday. It is certainly a very wet day, especially that morning commute. There'll be a lot of ponding on the roadways. Showers continue Saturday, and then we should dry it out